Excuse me, sir. You want this horse? I'll give you this horse.
Feller's dead down there. Must have gone off the cliff.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
I think he's from that cabin up the way there.
Think he went down like this? Think there's any way for us to get in? Well, at least nobody would find those bodies, right? Let's get out of here. You didn't even know it.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey there.
You looking at me? What's your problem?
Oh, sorry.
Well, you're a goddamn idiot.
Try that again, tough guy. Hello.
Didn't you just say hello to me?
Sorry. I'll stop messing with you now.
Ain't like
Taking
a
it
kid.
real easy there, huh?
I've had enough of you!
Oh boy, I got the speed. Oh.
Oh, hey,
my
Hobo.
God. Oh my god.
Okay, well, that wasn't mine.
Oh my God.
See ya, Hobo.
See you guys later. There we go. What is that? Something right here. The bison. Oh! What? Where'd he go? Hi. Oh shit. Come on, I believe in you. Ah, oh my god. Oh my god.